The Pop series from TECNO is what they call their entry-level device, which is very affordable and its target audience is a very small demographic. The TECNO Pop 5 is their newest addition to their lineup and a successor to last year's Pop 4. Hey guys, it's Michael. Shout out to Fine Brothers Owerri for letting me get my hands on this device. The box is same as usual, everything is included in it, and finally, we don't have that big forehead anymore. At least this device now looks a little bit modern with the water drop notch, which doesn't get in my way when watching videos on this device. While I was using this device indoors in a very lit room, I struggled a little bit because of the reflection even at maximum brightness. You cannot watch me on YouTube at 1080p, but this device comes with a 720p LCD display. And talking about YouTube, if you are enjoying this video so far, liking and commenting on this video will be great. I love the design, so simple and doesn't scream, I am fancy. From the time I picked up this device, I felt the plasticky rear which catches fingerprints, and I like how it's so comfortable in my hand. At the right, we have the volume rockers and power button. At the top, we have the awkward placement of the headphone jack. At the bottom, we have the mic and the micro USB port, while at the left, we have nothing, which leads us to the rear where we have the dual 3G nano SIM slots. The downgrade in the storage is what I don't get. What cost is being cut here? Why would we come from a 32 gig of internal storage paired with 2 gigs of RAM on the predecessor, and on the current gen it comes with 16 gig of internal storage paired with 1 gig of RAM, which will run up to 2 apps in the background. But if you need more space to store your files, you can expand with the micro SD card slots at the rear. If I eventually install and run Call of Duty Mobile on this device, it will still lag.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
Even though it is powered by the MediaTek Helio A22 clocked at 1.3 GHz, there won't be enough space after installing Call of Duty Mobile and downloading the necessary files needed in the app. I still don't know why this device has a lot of ads and bloatware. Can't TECNO just give us an entry-level device to run smoothly on the Go version of Android 10, because their custom scheme, which is HiOS, is a very heavy skin on this device. At the rear of this device, we have a dual camera setup with a flash, which is good for taking photos and videos for your WhatsApp status and Facebook story. I can say that the TECNO Pop 5 isn't a bad device, which has a decent battery life, fingerprint scanner, which is very rare to see at this price point, very portable display with no forehead, sweet spot price which is 34,000 naira, but lacks a good storage with RAM, which is a huge downgrade from the predecessor, and 4G connectivity. That is why I won't call it the entry-level king. Rather, I will call it another device just to keep in various stores. And if you are interested in getting this device for someone who is getting a smartphone for the first time, then you can get it at any Fine Brothers store near you. Shout out to the guys at Fine Brothers, which is located at Owerri Mall, for allowing me to get my hands on this device, which you can also get your latest smartphones and gadgets. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the video showing on your screen right now.